Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Ming. In this channel, I offer free Chinese learning lessons. If you're learning Chinese, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you have friends who are also learning Chinese, make sure you share the videos. Alright, if you have subscribed, let's get started. In this video, we'll talk about Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving in Chinese is called 感恩节。感恩节。感恩 means being grateful, giving thanks. 节 means holiday. 感恩节 means a holiday to be grateful, a holiday to be thankful for things other people do for you. Again, Thanksgiving in Chinese is 感恩节。感恩节。感恩节。First, let's describe when Thanksgiving is. Thanksgiving is usually in fall. So we can say 感恩节在秋天。秋天 is fall. 在 means at. 感恩节在秋天。Thanksgiving at fall. During Thanksgiving, we put some decorations. To say Thanksgiving decorations, we can say 感恩节的装饰。装饰 means decorations. 感恩节的装饰 literally means Thanksgiving's decorations. You can also eliminate the word 的 to say 感恩节装饰 Thanksgiving decorations. Usually on Thanksgiving, we use decoration cornucopia. Actually, I've never seen it in real life because our family don't actually put it up. So I did a search on cornucopia. Basically, it's a horn of plenty with pumpkins, squash, corn, and other Thanksgiving harvest. So basically, it's a horn of plenty that symbolizes harvest. Cornucopia is called 丰饶之角。丰饶之角。And sometimes if you look up in the internet, you will see the word 丰饶角 to eliminate the word 之。之 is a structural support that doesn't really have much meaning. 丰饶之角。丰饶 means harvest, abundant. 角 means horn. 丰饶之角 symbolizes harvest and it is made of a sheep horn. To say the word symbolize in Chinese, you can use the word 象征。象征。象征。To say harvest, you can use the word 丰收。丰收。丰收。丰 means abundant. 收 means receive. So to say harvest is to say to receive abundant stuff. So 丰收 means harvest. 羊角 means sheep horn. 羊 means sheep or lamb or anything that's in that category. 角 means horn. So to say the cornucopia symbolizes harvest and it's made of sheep horn. To say cornucopia is a sheep horn that symbolizes harvest, we can say 丰饶之角是象征丰收的羊角。Every time you see the word 的, you can see it as the English word of, and you can reverse the order of the words before and after 的. So basically, if you want to say a sheep horn of harvest, then you can say 丰收的羊角. As you can see, we reverse the order of the words before and after the 的. Let's try again. If I want to say the cornucopia is the decoration for Thanksgiving, we can say 丰饶之角是 感恩节的装饰。If we want to say cornucopia is a sheep horn that symbolizes harvest, we can say 丰饶之角是象征丰收的羊角。On Thanksgiving, we hold family reunions. On Thanksgiving, we usually use the word 在 means at. 在感恩节，我们举行家庭聚会。举行 means hold. 家庭 means family. 聚会 means reunion or party or get together. So family get together or family reunion or family party is 家庭聚会。Let's try again. 在感恩节，我们举行家庭聚会。在感恩节，我们举行家庭聚会。在感恩节，我们举行家庭聚会。To say on Thanksgiving we eat Thanksgiving feast. To say the word feast, it is 大餐。餐 means meal. 大 means big. A feast is a big, huge meal. That's why we call it 大餐。On Thanksgiving, we eat Thanksgiving feast. 在感恩节，我们吃感恩节大餐。在感恩节，我们吃感恩节大餐。在感恩节，我们吃感恩节大餐。Now let's look at the Thanksgiving menu. Menu in Chinese is 菜单。菜单。菜单。Thanksgiving menu. 感恩节菜单。感恩节菜单。On Thanksgiving this year, we eat...So in Chinese, we will say this year, 今年 Thanksgiving, 感恩节 we eat, 我们吃 Again, 今年感恩节我们吃今年感恩节我们吃 Alright, now let's look at the Thanksgiving menu, 感恩节菜单Of course, on Thanksgiving, we will have turkey. Turkey in Chinese is 火鸡。火鸡。火鸡。Because of the unique look of turkey, it basically looks like a chicken that's on fire. So that's why we call it 火鸡, fire chicken. 火鸡。火鸡。To say roasted turkey, to say roast is 烤 Roasted turkey is 烤火鸡烤火鸡烤火鸡 Of course, on Thanksgiving, we will eat pumpkin pie. To say pumpkin, we call it 南瓜南瓜南瓜南 means south. 瓜 means melon. 南瓜 is southern melon. 南瓜 To say pie. In Chinese, we just phonetically translate it into pie. So to say pumpkin pie, we can say 南瓜派南瓜派南瓜派 Of course, we eat 火鸡 with cranberry sauce. Cranberry is sweet and sour. In Chinese, we call it 蔓越莓蔓越莓莓 means berry. Everything that's in the berry family, we use the word 莓. So think about the regular strawberry is 草莓 Raspberry is 树莓 Blueberry is 蓝莓 and cranberry is 蔓越莓 To say cranberry sauce. Sauce is 酱. To say cranberry sauce, we can say 蔓越莓酱蔓越莓酱蔓越莓酱 Of course, we will eat mashed potatoes. Potato is 土豆土豆 Remember, potatoes grow under the ground in the soil. So 土 means soil or dirt. 豆 means bean because potato looks like a huge bean, right? So to say potato, we usually call it underground soil bean. 土豆土豆土豆 To say mashed potato, basically we say potato mash or potato mud. So basically, every time you mash something, it looks like mud. So to say mashed potatoes, we can say 土豆泥土豆泥土豆泥And we love to eat sweet potatoes on Thanksgiving, right? To say sweet potatoes, I have 3 Chinese words for you. 地瓜 Di means ground. Gua means melon. Basically, it means ground melon. 红薯 Hong means red. 薯 means potato. So 红薯 means red potato. Another word is 番薯番薯番薯 And I really don't know where this name come from, but usually in different areas and regions of China, we call sweet potatoes different names. To say stuffing, we use the word 填料填料填料填 means fill in the blanks. Basically, it means to fill. 料 means ingredients. So 填料 is the ingredients that we stuff the chicken with, or we fill the chicken with. So again, the stuffings we call 填料填料填料 Gravy 肉汁肉汁肉 means meat. 汁 means juice. 肉汁 means gravy. So literally it means meat juice. 肉汁肉汁肉汁 Alright, so on Thanksgiving, we love to express thanks. So we can say 感谢你 or 谢谢你 all mean thank you. 谢谢你 is more about oral language, versus if you're writing something formally, we usually use the word 感谢感谢 So 感谢 is more formal and it's usually used in written context, versus 谢谢 is usually oral and informal. To say thank you for helping me or thank you for your help for me, you can say 感谢你对我的帮助感谢你 means thank you. 对 means 2 words. 我 me 的帮助帮助 means help. So literally the sentence means thank you for your help towards me. 感谢你对我的帮助 I know the word order is a little bit unintuitive for English speakers. Let's try again. 感谢你 thank you 对 2 words 我 me 的帮助 help. So thank you for the help towards me. 感谢你对我的帮助 Similarly, we can say thank you for your support for me. So 感谢你对我的支持支持 means support. 支 means support. 持 means support and hold. So 支持 basically means support and holding someone. So 感谢你对我的支持 literally means thank you for your support towards me. Similarly, we can also say thank you for your encouragement towards me. Encouragement is 鼓励，鼓励，感谢你对我的鼓励。Or you can say 谢谢你对我的鼓励。All right, let's recast one more time. Help, 帮助 Thank you for your help towards me. 感谢你对我的帮助。支持 support. Thank you for your support towards me. 感谢你对我的支持。鼓励 encouragement. Thank you for your encouragement towards me. 谢谢你对我的鼓励。Finally, Happy Thanksgiving. 感恩节快乐。Remember, in Chinese, we usually say whatever the holiday is or birthday is, and then we say the word happy, 快乐. Again, Happy Thanksgiving. 感恩节快乐。记得订阅频道哦。Remember to subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy learning.